Turkey's defense balance sheet in 2023 will begin with a national fighter jet and the Red Apple, KIZILELMA, and other unmanned military aircraft. The first deliveries of the Cyper, Karak, Bozdogan, and Göktagan long-range air defense systems will be made. Zaha armored amphibious assault vehicles, Pars 6x6 mine-protected vehicles, upgraded ZMA armored fighting vehicles and Buran vehicles with Turkish domestic engines will enter the inventory for the first time. In November 2022, Sabawanemasanaist.com first reported the developments regarding TAI's unmanned military aircraft. TAI has completed the development activities of the Turkish unmanned military aircraft, TISU, named ANKA-3. The ANKA-3 combat system for unmanned aircraft is planned to be presented next year. According to the information, TAI's unmanned combat aircraft will have a maximum takeoff weight of approximately 7 tons. The unmanned combat aircraft, which is planned to be presented in the first half of next year, is being developed in light of the experiences gained by ANKA. The aircraft, which is already known to be on the production line, is also estimated to have internal weapons stations. The ANKA male UAV, developed under the ANKA-1 project, is currently actively used by the Turkish Armed Forces, the Ministry of Interior of Turkey, and the National Intelligence Organization. Additionally, it has been exported to more than 3 countries so far. UAV Aksungur, developed within the ANKA-2 project, is actively used by the Turkish Armed Forces. In addition, it was exported to 2 other countries. Turkey is already actively using ANKA male UAV systems, developed by TAI, as part of the ANKA-1 project. ANKA UAV systems, which come in 3 variants known as ANKA, ANKA-B, and ANKA-S, have also been exported to 3 countries, Tunisia, Kazakhstan, and Malaysia. Aksungur, which was developed on the experiences gained from ANKA male unmanned aerial vehicles within the scope of the ANKA-2 project, is currently actively used by the Turkish Navy, Air Force, and Special Missions, (MT). Indonesia is also known to be interested in Aksungur, which recently had its first export success with Kyrgyzstan.